Gamma and beta functions. Gamma and beta are Greek letters, just like we know. But then in further math, they have their importance. Okay. Now looking at these two questions, we have gamma 4 and beta 4,3. Now gamma has properties, and beta also has its own properties, but they are somehow connected. Okay, for this first question, I'm going to use one of the properties of gamma that states that gamma n equals to n minus 1 factorial. That simply means that if you substitute n for 4, that is going to be gamma 4 equals to 4 minus 1 factorial. And 4 minus 1 gives 3. So we have 3 factorial. Now when you're talking about factorial, factorial is a product of a number and the numbers that precede it except 0. I say that again. Product of a number and the numbers that precede it except 0. So 3 factorial is going to be 3 times what number precedes 3? 2. What precedes 2? 1 except 0. So you don't put 0 there. So this is going to be 3 times 2 times 1, and that gives you 6. So it then means that gamma 4 equals 6. Now for the beta, I told you earlier that they are somehow connected. Okay. Now one of the properties of beta states that beta n comma m, or m comma n, whichever way, states that gamma n times gamma m over gamma n plus m. Okay, so let's substitute 4 for n and 3 for m. That's going to be gamma 4 then times gamma 3 over gamma 4 plus 3. Okay, and this is simply going to give us, remember, for you to get gamma of any number, you use this. So that is going to be 3 factorial times 2 factorial over 4 plus 3 gives 7. That will be 6 factorial. Okay, for you to get gamma of any number, just subtract 1 from the number and find its factorial. That's what I've just said. So 4 minus 1 gives you 3, and that will be 3 factorial. And 3 minus 1 gives you 2, and that's 2 factorial. Here we have 7. 7 minus 1 gives you 6. That's what you have there. So the next thing is to expand this. So we have 3 factorial, I'll write it back, and 2 factorial. So 6 factorial can be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. So 3 factorial will take care of 3 factorial. And 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So this 2 factorial divided by 4 gives you this. So you are left with 6 times 5 times 3 times 2. And that is 60. So everything here is 1 over 60. So beta 4,3 is 1 over 60.